be sharing a few tips on reducing waste and saving money too. These are really easy ways to practice mindful consumerism that helps your bank account and the planet. Being 100% perfect at zero waste can feel like an unachievable task. But it's okay if we're not 100% perfect at it. If a lot of us do what we can to minimize waste, it will make a huge impact on the earth. Some action is far better than no action at all. So try a few of these tips and help our planet and your wallet. Use coconut oil as makeup remover, lotion, and deodorant. Makeup remover wipes can cost a fortune and they're also very wasteful. I use coconut oil to take off my makeup. I also use it as deodorant mixed with some baking soda and lotion mixed with coconut oil and shea butter. I will leave a link below of the video of how to make this amazing lotion. By making your own beauty products, you not only help the environment by reducing waste of plastic containers, but it also saves you a fortune. It costs literally pennies to make an abundance of beauty supplies. No single-use baggies. My family used to go through Ziploc baggies like water for all the sizes with my kids and lunches and storage. Then we made a switch to using these beautiful glass containers that we've had for years with an airtight lock for storage and also salads and things like that if we are packing lunch. And instead of single-use baggies, we now use these silicone reusable baggies that are spill-proof and last for years. And we made the switch from large Ziploc baggies to store our bread to these wonderful non-bleached organic cotton bags that are fantastic to keeping bread both crunchy on the outside and moist on the inside. And they're really cute too. Reusable metal razors. I went pretty much my entire life with just using the cheap plastic disposable razors, which is really expensive and just adds so much waste. And now I use a metal razor. It costs about $20 on Amazon. I'll leave the link below for you. And you just order new razor blades, which come in huge packs of 25, 50, or 100, so it lasts a lifetime. Reusable grocery bags. Every year, Americans throw away over 100 billion plastic grocery bags that take over 1,000 years to break down. By just getting in the simple habit of bringing your own grocery bags to the store, it can save on all of the plastic that is going out into the environment. When buying produce, opt out of using the plastic bags to put the produce in. You can either use your bag that you had brought from home or just let it be loose. Either way, that's one less plastic item that you are bringing home and then putting into the garbage. Menstrual cup. It's estimated that a woman will use over 300 pounds of menstrual period supplies in her lifetime. So tampons, pads, applicators. That is a ton of waste going into the landfill. So try using a period cup instead. It's a silicone cup that is reusable for up to 10 years. I started using a menstrual cup about 8 years ago and really loved it and never went back. Handmade cleaning supplies. Using the all-natural biodegradable cleaning supplies can be pretty expensive, and using a less expensive cleaning supply usually has a lot of chemicals in it. So I make my own window cleaner, dusting spray, all-purpose spray, and air freshener out of a few simple ingredients that it costs me pennies to make. It lasts a really long time, it kills bacteria, and it smells great too, and I'm not putting any chemicals into my house or any more plastic into the environment. What are some of the ways that you have incorporated zero waste into your life? I would love to hear them, so please leave some comments below. Also, I invite you to please click subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks. Reusable water bottle. It's estimated that over 1 million water bottles are purchased every minute globally. This is crazy to me. I mean, think of all of that plastic that just is sitting in our landfills that end up in our rivers and streams. By just making the switch, you are saving yourself money by not purchasing more water bottles, and also you aren't contributing to adding any more plastic into the environment. Reusable dishcloths. Making the switch from a sponge to a reusable organic cotton or bamboo dishcloth helps save on the environment, and also you're not always purchasing new sponges, which can hold quite a bit of bacteria. I use a cotton dishcloth and it works out great for me, and whenever it gets dirty, I just wash it with my other towels in hot water. Kills all the bacteria, smells great, and I don't have to replace it every week. Avoid food waste by just creating a weekly meal plan and also a grocery list, and then sticking to it. Not only does this really help out your budget for the month, helps you save money, but then you're also not purchasing those impulse items that typically will just be wasted or thrown away when they go bad. Try using the glass containers for your leftovers. This way you're more likely to eat the leftovers when you can see them, instead of when they kind of get pushed into the back of the fridge and then you don't notice them and then they become wasted food. Shopping secondhand stores. I am a huge fan of thrift stores, not only for my clothes, but also for furniture and household items. I don't buy everything from a secondhand store, but it is nice to kind of mix it in with some of the newer things that I've purchased. Also, by taking clothes that are missing buttons or a zipper or something like that, and instead of throwing it away or donating it, just making small repairs so that clothes last longer. We don't have to be perfect at zero waste and recycling, as long as we are all doing what we can to help the environment, which in turn also helps you save money. I hope you found some of these tips useful. If you enjoyed this channel, please click subscribe and a thumbs up, and maybe check out some of these other videos around me on mindful living.